Hello friend, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to practice table of 2 with this worksheet. This is a DIY worksheet and you use this for daily maths practice. This is 2's table practice. Now you join these circles according to 2's table. So start from here. 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. So like this you complete the table. I hope you like this. Please subscribe my channel.